Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Spinach IO. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in spinach.io and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Spinach IO website. Now go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner to continue logging into your account if you haven't logged in already by using your Microsoft, your Google account, or your email address. Now after logging into your account, if you wish to change your password, you can look around within the settings option. Click on settings and you will see all of the settings that you have within Spinach IO. If you scroll all the way down and check everywhere, you will still not find an option to change your password. That is because the Spinach IO doesn't use a password to log into your account. When you click on the login button, you will be taken into this login portal from which you can sign in directly by clicking on your Google account, your Microsoft account, or by typing in your email address. Once you type your email address and click on the sign in button, you will receive a verification code within your email that you will need to type in within the next box to use as your password to log in. And that is the only method that you are allowed to use to sign in to your account on Spinach IO, which means there is no need to change your password. And there you have it. That is all you need to know about changing your password on Spinach IO. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.